pop, pop, berry. Fun for you and fun for me.
Peppa Pig Rainy Day Adventure.
It's a lovely morning at Peppa
Nice
Pig's
morning.
house.
Let's go and play outside.
Peppa and George are excited
Hooray.
to play outside.
Me.
Peppa said,
Oh no, it's raining. Don't worry, Peppa. Rain is fun too. But we can't play outside. Look, the raindrops are dancing. Yes, rain helps the flowers and trees grow. Flowers.
The rain has stopped. Who wants to go outside?
Me. Hooray! Muddy puddles. Remember, wear your boots.
See? Rainy days can be fun.
I love rainy days. Ha 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 ha.
Peppa loves jumping in muddy puddles. Everyone loves rainy day adventures.
Peppa's ABC Picnic Adventure.
It's a lovely morning at Peppa Pig's house. It's a sunny day, and Peppa and her family are going on a picnic.
Hooray! A picnic adventure! Dinosaur.
Let's pack everything we need. But wait, let's make it an ABC picnic.
Splendid idea, Mummy Pig. We'll find things from A to Z.
Peppa and her family walk to the picnic spot. Along the way, they find things that match the alphabet. Peppa sees a red apple in the basket.
A is for apple. A yummy red apple.
B is for basket. Our picnic basket is full of yummy treats.
Oh! C is for cake. A big chocolate cake. D is for duck. Hello, ducky. E is for elephant. F is for flowers. They smell lovely. G is for green dinosaur. Laura.
H is for hats. I look very smart.
It's time to eat and continue their ABC adventure.
I is for ice cream. A yummy treat.
J is for jam. Sweet and sticky.
K is for kite. It's flying so high. L is for ladybug. Hello, little bug. M is for muddy puddles. Let's jump in them.
Oh dear, I knew this would happen. Ha 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 ha.
N is for nest. Baby birds live there.
O is for orange. A healthy snack.
P is for picnic. Let's enjoy our food.
Q is for queen. Look, I have a shiny crown. I am Queen Peppa. Everyone must have fun at the picnic.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ha 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 ha. R is for rainbow. So many colors.
S is for strawberry juice. Refreshing.
T is for tea. A lovely drink for picnics.
U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry. V is for vegetables. Healthy and tasty. W is for wind. It makes our kite fly.
Peppa draws an X in the sand with a stick.
X is for X marks the spot. Like a treasure map. Y is for yellow. Look at the butterfly. Z is for zebra. Look at the zebra's black and white stripes.
Hello, Peppa. I love picnics too.
Me too, Zoe. Maybe next time you can join us.
Okay. Bye-bye, Peppa and George.
What a wonderful ABC adventure.
I love ABC Adventures.
Peppa loves ABC Adventures. Everyone loves ABC Adventures.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Popberry, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any more fun adventures. See you next time for more learning and fun. Bye-bye.